Why all the spring cleaning? Are you seeing someone else?
It's been 3 months, Ben.
Oh, right. That's fine. I'm glad for you. Who is he?
I don't want to talk about it.
Someone I know?
I said I don't want to talk about it.
Well, how tall is he? Taller than me?
I don't understand what...
All I'm asking you is, how tall is he? Is that too much to ask? Is he taller than me?
No.
About the same?
No.
Shorter?
He's a little shorter than you. Now, will you please...
What kind of car does he drive?
I don't see what this has...
I'm asking you what kind of car you drive. Is that asking too much?
Yes, it is.
Is it big?
No.
Small?
It's small.
American?
No.
Green, blue, pink?
White! It's white!
Okay, now we're getting somewhere. He's short. He drives a small, white, foreign car. Sounds like a real twerp to me.
He's not.
Are my pliers in there?
He's not, Blaine.
Is there anything else I can do for you? Anything?
No. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
You sure you don't need the most or anything?
I'm sure.
Right.
Thank you.
But I still love you. I still love you.